Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add DNS record in Godaddy. So first of all, you need to log into your account and you might end up at the dashboard. On the left side of the menu, you will find domain. Just click on this option. Here you might find multiple domains. Right now I have only one, so I'm going with this one. And here we have an option for manage DNS. If you don't find this option over here, what you can do is click on domain settings and here you will find DNS. Just click on this option and we have an option for DNS records and you can easily enter a new record over here. Click on this option. You just need to choose a type and you can see there are a lot of type over here. You can enter add or www over here. At the name we have value and we have TTL and you can select multiple from over here also. After that, just click on add more if you want to add more, obviously. And other than that, just click on save. Once it's saved, you will see it will end up in this new records area. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.